What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RESELL back at it again with another video for y'all boys. Today, in this video, I'm posted up selling Louis Vuitton and Dior wallet. I also got Louis bags for peace. One hand. And I'm moving them right here outside the beauty supply store. So this is how you run it up. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. I just caught a sell on DEPOP, as you can see right here. The Dior card holder, $40. So about to pack it up, print the label and pack up right now. Yeah. It's 3:56 in the morning, literally 4 minutes till 4 in the morning right now. I'm printing the label out now, connecting my printer. Yeah, about to print out. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put the label on the package right here on this adhesive package. Slip the card holder in there and then take it to the post office tomorrow. I'll probably take y'all on a walk with me to the post office to ship out. But yeah. Got the label taped on there on one side. I'm printing it out right now for the second side. Flip it over. Yeah, I already got that card pack in there. So with the label. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RESELL back at it again with another video. I'm gonna clip this here to the other videos and join them together. But right now, I'm currently walking to the post office to drop off this last package. It is a Dior card holder that I caught for sale on DEPOP for around $40. So that's what you're watching me do currently. Walk to the post office to drop this pack off. And yeah, I'll see you when I get a little bit closer. So peace, see you in a bit. What's good, YouTube? We're a little bit closer to the post office. But yeah, like I said, I'm trying to drop off this Dior card holder. It's a gray one. So yeah, it's pretty dope. On my way to the post office right now. It's kind of hot outside, probably like 70 to 80. It is the middle of July, about to be August. But yeah, walking to go take that pack. I dropped off like 2 packages. I walked to drop off like 2 packages around 2 or 3 days ago. And one of them about to touch down today. So stay tuned for more. And I got y'all unplugging with content pretty much daily. So that's a good reason to subscribe to my channel, because I'm dropping content consistently. And a lot of people aren't dropping content that much, or basing their content or their channel niche around reselling. So stay tuned in, stay plugged for more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications as well, because like I said, I'm dropping consistently. And yeah, we're about to get in there dropping that package off. What's good, YouTube? As you can see, the post office is right there. We're about to drop this pack off. Crossing the street currently crossing the street. As we can see, here's the post office. Just touched down. About to drop this pack off. Drop this pack off. Yeah. Boom. About to enter here with this package. That's pretty much that for this video. So see y'all in a second. Alright, YouTube, I just left the post office to drop off that card holder. Now it's back to the house. Yeah, that was a slight little mission I just took. Make sure I get the packs out fast. To keep my customers coming back and get good reviews. But that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace. What's good, YouTube? I'm back. Look like we had a package touchdown, so about to get into this unboxing with y'all right quick. Alright, YouTube, so as we can see, here's the unboxing. It looks like a shoe that I've already had, obviously, because it is. But fresh, out the box, we got the Oregon Dunk, and a plastic here. This is a size 10. So, like I said, I already have this sneaker. I've already done an unboxing and a review on this sneaker as well. So you can go check that video out. The mirror reflecting inside. Yeah, YouTube, that's pretty much it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and stay tuned for the next video to drop. It's your boy RESELL. I'm out. Peace.